So I'm ready to go. All the wiring has been tidied up. Battery's fully charged. Kind of hate these little balance connectors because they like hang out in the middle of nowhere most of the time. But at least here I get to clip it into my battery retainer. So I'm going to go take that for a test drive at the track and let's see what happens. This is where the track is. Just basically have to show you how we get in there. It isn't an official track. So here we got the regular track, all just made by a bunch of enthusiasts. Looks like someone's been doing a bit of work keeping it up. Here we got a little makeshift workbench. Put my bag down. Go check out the other side. We got some jumps, some hills, a bunch of areas we can use for crawling. This area is particularly hard to jump to get up to with a crawler. This used to be clean. So that's about it for now. I'm going to set up my car. I'm going to do a little test run. It's definitely got power. Well, that was actually pretty darn cool. It performed quite well. Just going to take the body off. Something wrong with my camera. I guess I get a little bit of a hit shot there with the camera in the car. I'm going to take the body off, see if there's anything wrong, and let's have a look. Quite dusty. Shake it off. You can see the wheels have been kicking up a lot of dirt over here. It's all stuck to the battery. The dirt here is actually quite nice. It's not kicking up a lot of dust. You can see the caked up dirt there and there. Not much on the front wheels because obviously they're kicking up the dirt and throwing it everywhere else. The ESC is nice and cool. Motor is pretty hot.
of junk stuck in there. Nothing seems to be out of place. Performed quite well. Got stuck in a few places. Front wheel drive, obviously. And these things really dig up when they're a little bit stuck. They really dig a nice hole. So you dig yourself a hole, you get jacked up, and you don't go anywhere. So all in all, I'm quite pleased with this little project. So I can say on to the next one. I just put another battery in. I'm going to play with it a bit more. But here's a little bit of a note for you guys. In the future, most of my projects, if not maybe all of them, which would be cool, will be sponsored by Asia Tees. If you don't know Asia Tees, check them out at asiatees.com. They got all kinds of upgrade parts, aluminum, for all kinds of things. They got X mods, they got mini series cars, they got the 116 Traxxas, a lot of the 110 cars, some of the older Tamiya cars as well, Traxxas. They just put out some new Axial kits, full aluminum upgrades. They're basically specialists in GPM parts. They got some radios. I've seen a FlySky radio on the site, some ESCs, wheels, tires, aluminum wheels, very nice wheels. So go check them out, and in the future maybe we'll be having some giveaways courtesy of Asia Tees, and just a whole lot of fun. So keep watching, stay safe, and have fun.